Hey guys, I'm Marlene, and today I'm going to be making a slime tour, so go check that out. And my second video, it's only going to be 2 ingredients. It's going to name how to make slime with 2 ingredients, and then I'm going to put Marlene Bustos, so you guys search that. How to make slime with 2 ingredients, Marlene Bustos, and then I'm going to put ... glue and Downy or Tide. So it could be either one of those two. I'm going to be using the Tide because I've tried it before and it works well. So yeah, go check that video out. And I'll see you guys when I bring the glue back. I'm gonna go get it at Walmart. You could get it. The glue is available in. The glue is usually available in Walmart, Target, Dollar Tree, and all of those stores that sell clothes and toys. And those would usually have the school supplies. And yeah, so I'll see you guys when I come back.